Hey everybody, it's Karen here with Lesson Company. I thought for today's video I would do something different. I recorded my Friday, April 24th lesson. All you're going to need is a charcoal pencil, a number 2 pencil, and a piece of sketch paper. So let's dive on in. We're going to sketch a general circle shape that's going to be the outside of the dandelion with a smaller center. Kind of almost looks like a donut. And then we're going to put a line going straight down. That's going to be our stem. We're going to create a soft out of focus background by taking charcoal pencil and sketching random blotches and then smudging it or blurring it with our fingertips. Now that'll create a nice soft hazy foggy background. It's a very good technique to create an out of focus distance background. And then we're going to put a line going straight down. That's going to be our stem. Now you want to make sure that the actual dandelion itself is nice and crisp and clear. So make sure your pencil's sharp. And if you need to switch off to the number 2 pencil to get more detail, you go ahead and do that. Also, we have little strands hanging off the bottom. They're very random, so you can go ahead and freestyle those as well. We're going to put some lines shooting out from the center, and it's almost going to look like a firework. We're going to go around the whole thing, and then do it again and have some not quite go out to the edge. I'm also going to create a hazy outer ring just by lightly sketching with the charcoal and then smudging that with my fingers as well. Remember, a dandelion, when it's in this state, is kind of transparent. And we're going to create little sprouts and shoots coming out of the center of the dandelion because we all know that there's little seedlings that are going to blow away and replant themselves. So we have to have everything kind of shooting out from the center. And if you want to take a class with me, you can just contact the Lesson Company in Wesley Chapel. You can find them on Facebook and online. And join up. Have some fun. We'll do some art together. Thanks. I'll see you soon.